Hi, this is Craig with Best of Tri County. I'm here to show you how to vote in this year's contest and enter for your chance or chances to win $100 cash. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to bestoftricounty.com, which you can either just type directly into your search bar, or you can go to sunny106.fm, and there is a banner there that you can click. Now, this page, which says vote up here, I've had some people ask, it does take a while to load sometimes, especially the first time it loads. Like you'll see here, the page loads, and then this kind of interactive piece in the middle of the page does take sometimes a little bit longer to load. So be patient with it. Once it loads, it usually runs really well. If you're having issues with it, try it on a different internet browser. There's a known issue with Internet Explorer, so try it on Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari should all work. And this should work on your phone as well. But all you have to do is come to this page, and then you can scroll down here. You have different groups. We have automotive, food and dining, health and wellness, home and contracting, recreation and entertainment, retail services, and pet services. That's just so we can kind of sort things a little bit, even though some things belong in more than one category, so we just had to choose which one it would go in. Now, for your chances to win the $100 cash, every vote you place, you get an additional chance to win. So I'm going to click on automotive here, and you can see it takes a second to load there, so just be patient. And it's going to have these categories: new car dealership, pre-owned car dealership. Each one of these is a chance for you to enter. So to enter, all you have to do is click vote, which you can choose whatever you want to. We have these enhanced listings here, which are just sponsors of the category, and then all of your options are right here, which you're welcome to vote for the sponsor of the category, especially if they are someone that you're into. So I'm just going to go ahead and click vote for Johnson Motors. And now if you haven't already voted, you're going to have to put your email in. So in this case, I'm going to put in big deals at sunny106.fm because I haven't used this email yet. And it's going to say, I want to stay up to date with local news with the Tri-County Insider. This is a really cool thing where we send out local news every single weekday. If you want to be involved in that, go ahead and click check. And this might show up depending on where you're at. If you're at work and other people at your job are trying to sign up, it might just need some confirmation that you are not trying to spam the contest. So I'm going to hit I'm not a robot and click continue. Now, again, if this is your first time signing up for a contest with Sunny 106's contesting platform, you are going to have to add a little bit of extra information. So I'm going to add my first and last name, my postal code, so that we know you're eligible to win, because you have to be within the Tri-County area to win, and my phone number. And the reason you need to put your phone number in is because if you win, we need to be able to get a hold of you. Hit submit. And then now your vote has been registered, and you'll see here it gives you the option to click, and it'll take you to the next category. Once you've signed in, you don't have to continue to sign in, so I can go ahead and vote in this category. I can quickly vote in this category. And if you're worried, I'm going to go back through and cancel these votes on the back end so it's fair. You can see some categories have a ton of options, like mechanic here. Vote. So every single time you place one of these votes, it'll also come up and give you the opportunity to share. And you can share this on Facebook, you can share this on Twitter, you can share this via email, just to kind of help give those businesses that you're into a little bit of extra support. There are about 121 categories total. So once you go through all of those, that's the maximum amount of votes you can get. Everyone gets one vote per category, per person. We are tracking emails and IP addresses on the back end just to make sure that we can minimize fraud. So I hope that you have fun letting us know who your favorite businesses are. Get on to bestoftricounty.com. Place your votes before the middle of September for your chance to win $100 cash.